Hey there, my name is Tobin and I'm an MSP consultant at ProVal Tech. Over the next several videos, we'll be performing a deep dive into policy objects and how they can be configured to facilitate automation within your environment. In our VSA Basics series, we introduce you to the concept of policies and how objects can be configured to automate endpoint settings within the VSA. If you need a refresher on this, you can find it on our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the Suspend Alarms object. So let's get into it. The suspend alarm objects allow you to automate alarm suspension for machines that fall within the view applied to the policy. This can be useful for organizations that have a regular maintenance window. This can be done manually and per machine, but by controlling this via a policy, you ensure that new machines that check into the organization and fall within that view will also be scheduled with the same windows. So let's enable the suspend alarms. Scroll down just a little bit so we can see it. Select the Add Suspend Schedule. Let's say that your client Contoso has a recurring maintenance every Friday night starting at 10 p.m. and ending at 12 a.m. So let's go ahead and say we're going to start this on the next Friday at 10 p.m. We have options for recurring hour, day, or month. We do not have a week option. So we are going to do 7 days, and we're going to suspend the alarm for 120 minutes. Select Add. And now you can see we have our alarm suspension. As always, make sure that you have your view selected. We're going to select our Contoso maintenance window. We're going to select Save and Apply. We're going to select Apply Now. And we're going to select OK. And that concludes the Suspend Alarms object discussion. As always, remember to save and apply, and always remember to ensure the policy is placed into organizations and machine groups to ensure that the policy is applied to the machines that fall in that view. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on Kaseya, ConnectWise Automate, ConnectWise RMM, and more. Let us know what else you'd like to see.